Hotel of Doom this time. That's pretty cool. I'm happy about that.
St. Jude line. We're buying a shirt for Mr. Anthony Simone. So, Anthony, yep.
Got one coming, buddy.
Got one coming, buddy. A nice blue one.
A nice short line, too.
Yeah, short line.
Okay.
So.
Oh, they have gray and blue.
Yeah, he wants a carnival color, so blue it is, Mr. Anthony.
I have it in the closet.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Amazon.
Cute.
Thank you for everything, John.
Thank you for everything, and I hope that you had a wonderful... You want me to sign this one?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, buddy.
There we are.
So he's 10 minutes to the airport.
You know what that saying is? What up, dope? What up, dope?
Yeah,
What up, dope?
It is.
Right?
Like, even as like a 10-year-old, like.
And you heard that all the time. What
Yeah.
up, dope? What up, dope?
Yep.
Alright, so we have 2 onion rings, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and a bun.
I have just some fries and a patty because I'm saving room for the C-Day barbecue.
And Scott has the new Celebration Key Burger. Is this a thumbnail?
Possibly. I don't know what the thumbnail is going to be, but if I don't take one like... Is it this way?
Yep. See that?
I thought there was another door.
See that?
Oh, yeah.
Colors like no light. There's nobody out here. Hello.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Wait, did they close?
Maybe it's too windy.
Too windy?
Oh, look at all that beautiful.
Oh.
They might be bringing it inside.
Look who's happy.
Double mac and
Double
cheese.
mac, I say that's a two
Ooh,
scooper.
you got a double mac? All right.
I love it.
So we are in the lounge eating the outside pig and anchor because it was so windy they had to bring it inside. So here we are.
All right, what'd you get, honey? I got
Me?
mac and cheese and a roll.
I got mac and cheese, chicken, a little bit of smoked beef, which I ate on the way back in a roll.
And Scott, what'd you get?
Double mac and cheese, some beans, a leg, or a drum or a wing,
Chicken.
and some sausage.
Sausage. Famous.
And here's the aftermath of Guy's Pig and Anchor C-Day.
We did a
And yes,
good job,
we're
guys.
in the lounge.
We did a good job.
Yeah, you ate all the mac and cheese.
But
Just the boobs.
A world where you can be anything, be kind. And you have to drink.
Me? Espresso martini.
Woohoo! And what do you have?
Mudslide.
Mudslide.
Delicioso.
And I have
You're,
vodka soda, Crystal Light kind of thingy.
of course you do.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
That's okay. No. You got it? Yeah. Pizza!
Put the pizza over here.
Pizza in the bed. We can just set this right here, be just fine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Where did that?
Over there.
Yep.
It's on the counter. You got to sign. We got it. We got it. Don't worry. We got it. We got it. We got it.
no,
I
she's
just.
getting another one because she just carried 17 plates up here.
Thank you so much. Have
Thank
a
you.
great evening.
Oh wait. Do you want your bag?
Oh yeah. Wait. Need a pizza bag back. We like souvenirs, but. Oh, it's
Buy
got a
yourself a
tray.
drink at the crew bar tonight.
Jesus.
I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry.
Don't be sorry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. She's amazing.
All right.
MVP.
MVP. All right, we're going. All right. We have room service.
I think there's another
Pizza. And whatever is here.
Here we go. There we go. Tray number one is. There they are. The wings. Garlic parm. Up next, we have a cheese quesadilla. So it always says that it's a chicken quesadilla. If you don't eat chicken, they will make you a cheese quesadilla, fresh pico, and guac.
Dilla. Chicken quesadilla.
Dilla.
Dilly dilly.
Wait, that's
Dilly
dessert.
dilly.
You can't do that.
Dilly dilly, D&G.
Next one. Booyah! Chicken
Oh,
tenders and
what?
curly fries. With ketchup and, I believe it's honey mustard in those guys.
Never have I ever seen those chicken tenders and curly fries. Ever. That is my virgin eyes here for, oh my lord.
And for Liz, we have a Caesar salad. Ooh, that
Oh,
looks
yeah,
good.
that's actually one of the best.
That
That
really
looks good.
Yeah.
That looks. Oh. And
And for dessert, we have
Oh.
cheesecake. And to Liz's right, we have
What in the?
cheese pizza.
All right, so Liz has cheese quesadillas. So on the room service menu, it says chicken quesadilla. These we asked for without cheese. So I will stare at the food while Liz partakes and let you know how it is. Look at that. I don't get those noises at night.
No.
All right, so let's go with the rating, as Scott likes to do. What do we got here, Liz?
9.1.
9.1. Very nice.
All right, Chris has already had these, and he's gonna try one. Go ahead, Chris. Going for the big.
I'm going for the drummy.
Oh,
It's a beast.
Oh, you get in there. You get in there.
Oh my. I mean, it's moist. It's tasty. I know Liz hates the word moist, but I mean, you get chicken wings, they're dry, but you saw Scott pull. I mean, there's just bones left.
Tender. Oh my God. Now let me ask you. Better the first time or better the second time? Because you had them. And you can say they're even. That's fine. I wasn't here for the first one, but...
I would say this particular batch is a little bit more flavorful because they put a lot more Parmesan on there. The last one had a sprinkle of Parmesan. These are covered in Parmesan, and that really adds to the flavor, for sure.
It does. And there's actually not too much garlic, honestly. There's actually more Parmesan than there is garlic.
I would agree. It's not something I'm going to burp up later and go, oh, crap, why did I have these?
Ever see a curly fry and a chicken nugget that is shaped like a sausage? Well, if you haven't, here it is. Oh, we got an extra sausage on that one.
Oh, a little wing on there.
Not as good as the wings. And it definitely doesn't taste like a sausage. So, we'll see you guys later. Bye!
Alright, I have to say, this pizza from room service, I don't know what happened, but
It's like dough.
it's not good.
You taste it?
I haven't tasted it, but it's falling apart.
Tastes good.
But the Caesar salad, it's delicious. This Caesar salad is amazing. But this pizza, I don't know what happened.
We got it the other night and it was really good.
Yeah.
My name is Vanessa, I'm a cruise director here on board. I hope you all had a great time because I had a blast with you. So give it up for yourselves. Thank you so much for cruising with us.
Alright, guys. You gonna say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Ah.